Got a little package here from Mike's Monies. Let's see what it is, man. A little unboxing. Got a little card here. Y'all know about Mike's Monies, Dixie Restoration Depot. Look at that. Take that up in the garage somewhere. I never got one of these cards before. But let's see what's in this box though. Man, let's see. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. See what that say? It says Monte Carlo. Let's go, baby. The back one's just plain. They ain't got nothing on them. Exactly how I wanted it. Come on, man. Look at that, dog. It says Monte Carlo. Yeah, I know my car ain't running right now, but you know, we getting there. But we gonna do a little small stuff while we waiting. GM official. This is made by ACC Auto Custom Carpets. That's why I got my carpet. My carpet was made by them as well. Yes, man, that stitching is nice. It's gonna look good in that thing, man. Take this off. Effect. Yes, Mike's Monies, man. Y'all better get at them. Mike's Monies. This is the 8788 SS Monte Carlo logo. I actually was gonna go with the earlier years, but I was like, man, I'm gonna stick to, you know, my year, which I didn't stick to my year with the rear deck. As y'all notice, my rear deck has the older one that says Monte Carlo and then the SS on the side over here. But like I said, it ain't gotta match up. This my car, my bill, my money. So I'm gonna do it how I wanna do it. Yes, sir. Yeah, as y'all know, we got these SS Monte Carlo floor mats. I'm go ahead and put these things in so you can see what they look like in here. Should be a nice little touch. Nothing crazy. Oh man, check that out. Car still messy because I've been, you know, focusing on the engine and the engine bay and everything. Dash still pulled apart because I was messing with the AC. I still got to get my my actuator doors working, so that's why it's still apart. But I just wanted to see what these floor mats was gonna look like in here. Damn, Them motherfuckers look good. Now, the only thing about them is the colors that they are, which those are the colors on my stripes on the outside. I got the red and then the maroon. This red look a little bit, it's not as deep as I thought. I thought it would be like a deep red like this, but it's not. But either way, I like them and it flows together well. Look pretty good. And as y'all know, I got the headrest in this thing. As y'all saw from the other video, looking pretty spiffy. Pretty spiffy. But yeah, them floor mats looking good. This is the passenger side. So just to get an idea of what it looked like up against the stripes, that's pretty much what we was going for. You know, trying to match everything up. But this is supposed to be like the original. I got them from Mike's Money's. Like I said, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's a little bit off. But I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying? They look good. I like it. They feel like good quality, especially the embroidery. The embroidery is real good quality. And they look damn good in there. Damn good. All this stuff is gonna get cleaned up at a later date. Definitely want to clean that up. It looks better if it's black without it looking all rusty. I also had the covers to go on there too. So the covers will be on there, but I'm still gonna paint them black. So let's put this passenger side in. And we're gonna open the door on this side. I know I need to vacuum, but we just trying to see what it looked like. A nice little visual here. Man, that's crazy. That looks so good. Like I said, man, everything is flowing together. Everything is flowing together. We're gonna get some good views and good videos soon once we get all this interior together, but I just wanted to see how it would look in here. And you know, like I said, get a good visual. It's looking pretty good, y'all.
That's hot.
Looking pretty good, y'all. Yes, sir. Looking amazing.
You almost got it.
Just a little touch. Just a little touch. It's flowing.
First catch of the evening.
It's flowing, y'all. It's definitely flowing.
Keep moving across.
Definitely flowing, y'all. Let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, once again, this is the 8788 logo. I ended up on my rear deck. I went with the previous year model logo. It's fine. I like this one better on the back deck. A lot of people will say, well, why you didn't keep the 8788 logo all around? But it is what it is. It's my car. It's my money. I'm gonna do what the fuck I want. You know what I'm saying? This is the 8788 logo. 8788 logo. And then back here, you got the previous model logo. Either way, it's a Monte Carlo SS, y'all. Either way. I actually like the previous model's logo better. I started to put that here, but I just didn't. I was like, man, I'm gonna just leave the logo like it is. Cause like I said, it say Monte Carlo and then SS at the end. But I just kept the original 87. We getting there. Slow progress is better than no progress. And I always trust that process. We're gonna trust it all the way to the end.